All right, guys, fishing a new spot with the guys after we did some cleanup and maintenance on the kayaks for our upcoming event for Heroes on the Water. We decided to come out and do some late afternoon evening fishing throughout that American shad known as catfish candy. Drugging it up this little creek here. The guys are out going after brim and bass and stuff, and I mean, you know me, I'm a catfish guy, so I'm dragging that candy up and down here, and just turned around, put the wind to the back, coasting or floating down, dragging at 0.5 with the wind on my back, barely doing anything, just sitting here thinking about how beautiful this country is, and whammo, take a look at this guy when I get him in. See how we do it. I'm gonna let you guys be here as I fight to get this guy in. Let's see how it's gonna work. Let's see. Put that pole right there like that. Ah, hell, I got a net. Might as well net him. If you fit in the net. Okay, stay centered. Oh yeah, baby. All right, nice little, it might even be a channel cat, but it's a cat nonetheless. My goodness. Okay, let's take this and put this back here out of my way. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got here. Let's get the hook out. Hello, Mr. Kitty Cat. You sure do like that shad. Yes, you do. Oh, and it kept my bait, but I might probably just give it back to him. All right, there we go. Let's get the old Slam Daddish. My Cast King rippers on there. And there he is, guys. Probably a 2.5, 3 pounder maybe. Perfect eating size. Take him home and flay him up, and looks like we're gonna have us some catfish nuggies either tonight or tomorrow. Oh, it's a good looking catfish. Ah, yes sir indeed. What's that?